Ich hätte das Video fertig, das eine.
Wie bitte?
Ich habe das eine Video fertig.
Okay.
The final video, let me tell you a story first. So at the end of 2020, I visited my buddy Buduc in Dresden. This is Buduc. We did some stupid stuff. Traveled, made some videos, traveled some more, almost trashed my camera, did more stupid stuff. And since I got a fog machine, I thought we should use it to make another video. And here are the famous last words.
Yoga Meditation!
But enough of the storytelling. Let's start the edit.
Never at ease, I don't know a limit. Chasing a dream, I don't know what sleep is. I got a queen, she lit me the evening. She ripe like a peach and she snapped me the snippet. You well overdue for that link up in person. Text me to fall through a murder, she wrote it. Still up with courage, you're doing a service. Pull up to the crib, I'm equipped with the...
You already guessed it. Let's start Premiere Pro.
Goes women buddy like it's been that. Wanna fuck me looking at the bill stack. Off the bubbly buddy, I've been stressed out. Let the smoke scream.
First, we're gonna import the clips.
Really hate love from a stranger. Shit is fake stuff, only need it from you. Yeah. Crash land in the palm of my hand. Bad little flex, wanna play by the coast. Carry the torch, I'm way up, it's litty wherever we float. I came from the coast, used to rest on the floor.
And now it's time to check.
Flipping the struggle, I'm taking it worldwide.
Before we continue, I'm gonna take you with me to a little video shoot. So let me get my stuff first. Video shoot done. Now let's get back to work and finish that video. I totally forgot to look up the song we did the dance video on. Let me find that first. I'm gonna use a multicam to sync the clips and the song. After everything was synced, I'm gonna start with the intro. So the intro is done, and now we're gonna go to the main part, and since it's more likely a one-take video, there's not much we can cut.
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like.
So we're mostly gonna focus on to get some effects in the clips. For example, this ghost effect.
Right, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right?
And I'm gonna add some little details like a little mirroring of the feet of the floor with a mask.
Elimination, gotta go to Google for the information. I'm a superstar, so I gotta shine. Top dollar be the bottom line. Bottom feeding out of line. Turn your heart rate to a dotted line. Yeah, my zodiac.
After adding a bunch of effects, now we can enjoy the reveal. So don't forget, like, subscribe if you liked it, and see you in the next one.
Wanna see me fall, I can't go, I won't leave. Coming from the block with plain clothes and police, straight up to the top with